Hi everybody, my name is Elise and I am a freshman double major in music and communications here at Rollins, and today I will be taking you along a day in my life of what it's like to be a virtual online student. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm super excited. I do have a busy day today because it is finals week, so I'll be working on a paper, taking a voice lesson, and also attending a Rollins virtual pet show where all of the students can show off their pets to each other. So I'm super excited, and I hope Hi everybody, so I finished studying for the most part for today, so now I'm moving on to my weekly Sunday task, which is making bread. I'm super excited. I'm going to share the recipe with you guys. So the first thing you do is add 1.5 tablespoons of yeast and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar to about 1/2 cup of warm water, and then mix that together. And the sugar in there is going to actually help activate your yeast, and then just leave this. Now that my yeast is activating, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 cups of hot water, and 1/2 cup of canola oil to my mixer, and then mix it together. Now I'm going to add about 3 cups of bread flour into my mixer and then mix it until it's incorporated. Our yeast is now beautifully activated, almost overflowing, and I'm going to add it to the mixer. Now I'm adding the rest of the bread flour, so that's about 5 to 6 cups total, depending on how sticky you want it to be. And don't worry if it's still super sticky. It's supposed to be that way, and it'll rise and get better. Melina, achoo! Yeah, good girl! The first exercise has me carry like a legato sounding tone maybe throughout the notes, and even though this one, so grateful that I have such encouraging professors that are so willing to help students like me in this crazy time. This is crazy, uncharted territory for all of us. None of us have ever really experienced anything like it before, and my professors have just gone all out to make us feel like we are accepted and we are appreciated and we really are doing our best. So I'm so grateful for that. So thank you to all my professors.
Just go step by step.
Thanks so much for joining me today on my Rollins Instagram takeover. Even though we're not all together for this finals week at Rollins, I've truly felt more of a sense of a community than ever before, and it's because of our amazing faculty, our amazing staff, and our amazing students. So thanks so much for being so positive, staying tuned, and I hope you have a safe, healthy, and wonderful rest of your finals week and a great summer.